Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the background of your video using CapCut on PC, and you won't need a green screen. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import your video by clicking on the Import button and dragging your file into the timeline. Next, click on your video in the timeline to select it. On the right panel, you'll see an option called Remove Background. Click on it to enable. CapCut will automatically detect and remove the background from your video. It may take a few seconds, depending on the length of your video. Once the background is removed, you can add a new background. Click on Import again and choose the image or video you want to use. Drag it to the timeline and place it below your original video track. Adjust the size and position of your video to fit the new background. You can also add effects and transitions to make it look seamless. And that's it. You've successfully changed your video background in CapCut without a green screen.